Hello everyone, and welcome back to another RuneScape video. As always, I'm your host, Shredder Pro Gaming. Without further ado, let's get into it. So, I should have 120 fishing really soon. I hope to get it by this weekend. If I don't get it by this weekend, I will definitely have it before next weekend. So, this grind has been one of the longest grinds you will ever have in all of RuneScape. And let's go on and get my shark outfit out, my brooch of the gods, my grace of the elves, both of my fishing rod-o-matics. Seems like they're both level 10. So let's go on and search for the siphons, and I got those. So let's go on and siphon these. There we go. And let's go on and get this 229,000 invention XP. There we go. And let's go on and siphon this other one. There we go. Now, as you will remember from my last video, these did not disappear. That's because I did not disassemble them. Now let's come over here and let's work toward this 120. The first of many 120s I will be getting in RuneScape. Now, 120s used to not be a thing back in 2006, but 120s came about when dungeoneering came into play years ago. Dungeoneering was the very first 120 in the game, and that was the sneak peek of every single skill going to 120. Now, the only skill that goes above 120 is Invention. It goes to 150. Don't worry, I really honestly don't think that Jagex will be upping the levels to 150. Now, with the introduction of Necromancy, the new combat level is 150. That's if you have 120 Necromancy. And assuming that you have 138 combat. So, as you could tell, I'm 127 combat, so I'm nowhere near 138 combat, but I hope to be soon. But this is not talking about combat. And I just got hit with a pulse core. I get 2% XP boost. As we all know in RuneScape, any boost is better than no boost. So, and I will be going for 99 Invention right after I get 120 fishing. And I will be going for 120 cooking as well after I get 99 Invention. Now, cooking is going to be a lot quicker than fishing is, and I think it's still one of the cheapest skills to buy in all of RuneScape. So, I mean, is what it is there. So, and prayer is and will always be the most expensive skill in all of RuneScape. Now with Saren Stones, It's pretty cheap, but if you do not use Sarin Stones, it is the most expensive skill in all of RuneScape. Always has been, always will be. So, and let's see here. There goes another Selfish to my bank thanks to my porters. And I still have over 400 charges left. So, it'll be a while before I use all of these up. But, and there goes another one to the bank. So, there we go. Now, if you don't mind the slow process of blue blubber jellyfish, you can always go over there to them. Oh, there's my Burst of the Gods going off. And I just got subtle components. So, and those are used for invention. But, getting back to what I was saying about blue blubber jellyfish. Now, blue blubber jellyfish, you aren't losing that much XP per hour. But, they do take some time to get into your inventory. So, that's why it takes a while to get blue blubber jellyfish. But if you would like to go over to blue blubber jellyfish, you're more than welcome to, because they are 13,000 gold pieces each. That is a bunch of gold pieces, a bunch of money. So if you would like to, you can always go over there and check those out. Oh, didn't mean to do that, but okay. But yeah, this game it's been a really fun game over the years. I started playing in 2006, right after the Falzor massacre. Rip to all those players out there. But you know, if you would be so kind as to like the video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell, so that way you can stay informed whenever I put out a new video. Just like in real life, fishing is very slow. So, I mean, some people don't like fishing in real life. Some people like fishing in RuneScape. Some people don't like fishing in RuneScape, but they love fishing in real life. Some people like me, I like fishing in both. So, there you go. They also have fishing in Prif, which is called waterfall fishing. But sadly, I do not have Prif unlocked. That's about all I've got for everybody today. Until next time, keep ready to get up a RuneScape. Shredder Pro, out.